day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Michelle K. M. Satera. I'm 28 years old. I live in Butuan City, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I'm a single mother. I have 3 kids, 10 years old son, 8 years old daughter, and 6 years old son. I have experience as a domestic helper in Malaysia, 2 years and 6 months. My special ability, I can do cooking, not so good, but I'm willing to learn. I can do ironing, gardening, car wash, and so on. To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my responsibility with love and dedication. I hope that I will be as your family. I treat your family as my own family. Thank you, Mom and Sir.